Are you struggling to stand out in a crowded market? Let's discover the power of using a lead magnet to attract your ideal clients so that you are able to stand out in the crowded market. Hi, my name is 𝐴𝑟𝑗𝑢𝑚𝑎𝑛. I'm a business coach. I help entrepreneurs to transform their knowledge and convert it into a digital business and make money online. Without wasting further time, let's dive deep into this. So I'm sure, as a coach, consultant, a service provider, you would have heard a lot many times on the importance of using the lead magnet, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how is it beneficial for you to use a lead magnet and why you should be using a lead magnet. Not only that, I'm also going to tell you what type of lead magnets you can use to attract your clients so you are able to stand out in the niche, in your niche, and gain that know, like, and trust factor and earn that credibility online, isn't it? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I request you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, smash that like, yeah, comment down below and share this video with who you think would be benefited from this, right? So as an entrepreneur, as an online entrepreneur, it is essential for us all to have a steady stream of clients so that we keep our business thriving. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. In this video, we will show you the importance of lead magnet, right? So let's talk about why is it important for us to have a lead magnet. So if you don't know what a lead magnet is, which I'm sure you do know, but let me just go through that if there is anybody who's new here. A lead magnet is simply a valuable piece of content which you offer to your prospect in exchange of their contact information. Could be their name, email, phone number, that's the basic information which you might need. So you can use it for marketing. As simple as that, right? It's a powerful way for you to attract more leads so you can grow your online business. And why is it important for us to have a lead magnet? Because the advantages are many, but let me just name a few. It builds your email list, all right? It establishes yourself as an authority in your niche, isn't it? It converts more prospects into paying clients. And fourth, it also helps you to nurture these leads and build trust, because I know and you know people work only with those who they like, who they know, who they care, and who they trust, right? So next step is, why should you have a lead magnet in your business? I'm sure many would have it and many may not have it. So why should you have a lead magnet? Using a lead magnet is the great way for you to attract more leads so that you grow your business. So by offering a valuable piece of content, it can be in any type or form, which I'm going to talk about in the next step of the video, is, of course, when you are building your email list, as per the studies, experts of online marketing have always said that your email list is equivalent to the amount of money what you make. Meaning to say, for example, if you have a list of 10,000 email subscribers, every single month you have a potential of generating $10,000. So simple math is like one email is equivalent to $1, right? Well, there isn't any kind of, there isn't any kind of a hard and fast rule of doing the same. You might generate even more, you might generate less, but as an average, this is what the studies have shown, okay? And the second, when you are in touch with your ideal clients who have opted in and given you their email ID, the contact information, they have given you permission to accept your marketing, promotional emails, SMS, and you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. And in return, it helps you in converting more prospects into clients, if that makes sense, right? And at the same time, people are going to buy your products, your services into your businesses when you have nurtured them enough, when you have gained that credibility from your clients. So they are, they trust you and they purchase from you, right? So nurturing the list is also going to build your trust with your audience, right? So let's talk about what are the types of lead magnets which you might need as a coach, consultant, or a service provider. There are many types of lead magnets which you can use, all right? So I just want to give a couple of examples, maybe like the top 5 examples, and that is going to be like, it's going to like literally help you, all right? The first and foremost is ebook. Easiest way. Offer an ebook which could be relevant to what you do. If you are a health coach, you can offer an ebook on, how they can maintain their health by just changing couple of habits into their, couple of habits, and that becomes their lifestyle. I'm just giving an example, right? So offer an ebook which is relevant to the topic of what exactly you do in your business. That is one of the lead magnet types which is most effectively used in the coaching industry. Second, offer a free consultation. So when you offer a free consultation, your prospects will have a better understanding of your services. So that can be a consultation for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or whatever you decide. So they are also going to be benefited. So they already have a taste of what exactly you do, right? Third, checklist. You can give a checklist of steps which can help your prospects achieve a specific goal. So if people, if you are a productivity coach, for example, you can offer a checklist like how they can manage their day and manage their time effectively and be more productive, and what are the things they need to check in every single day to track their productivity, right? I'm just giving an example. Fourth, maybe a webinar or a masterclass or a training. So host a free webinar or a free masterclass or a free training. Whatever terminology you want to call it as, so let me just keep it specific, like a webinar. When you offer a webinar and you also offer a recording, this is going to be in exchange of the contact information which they are providing. So when they are opting in and watching your webinar, and you have that time, you have that window to definitely, present your knowledge, your expertise, and help them understand how good it is to work with you, right? Fifth, probably a quiz, right? So you can create a quiz that helps your prospect identify their problem or a need, and you can offer them a solution, and that is in exchange of a contact information, right? So the whole idea of giving a lead magnet and the types of lead magnet, which I just mentioned, the top 5 types of lead magnet, is for you to get the contact information. And in many people also call it like a clickbait. And I just don't feel comfortable with that term. So I rather call it as a lead magnet. But of course, there are other ways for you to define this as well. So right now in this video, you have definitely discovered the importance of having a lead magnet in your business and different types of lead magnets so you can attract more clients into your online business, and the powerful way for you to build your email list, establish yourself as an authority, nurture your audience, and convert them into your paying clients, right? I hope this was helpful. If it was, do like, all right? Let me know your thoughts. And also comment down below and let me know what kind of videos do you want me to come up with. I would love to come up with the videos which you request. Smash that heart, send some love, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with who you feel might be benefited. All right. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care of yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.